these are basic things, right? How to create and how to organize. If we keep following that practice only, it will take us, a lot of time to create different screens, because a lot of things are repeated. We'll need to create some rules about placements. We need to create some rules about what colors we'll be using, what properties we'll be using, all those things, right? So let's get into accelerators, right? For example, let's take the example of most frequent component that we use in a user interface. So let's create a button. So I have already created that for you. But let me create a new one because I want to show you an interesting accelerator. So what I'll do is I'll create a rectangle and I'll create a text layer, right? I'll say submit, right? With the combination of these both, we can create a button, right? So remember what you see what I did. I had to reduce the size of it to make sure that the spacing between left and right is okay, right? So what you can do is you can select this guy. You can click on this auto layout here. If you click it, it makes it automatic for you. So tomorrow, if you want to change the text and say just okay, it is doing the work for you. It is adjusting the width for you. And you can see all the rules that are there. So when it says 10, so it's spacing, right? Once you open this particular guy here, you can see all the spacing. On the left, you see spacing is 56, right? So you select a layer, and if you want to see the distance or anything, you simply press Alt, and you can hover on the other element, and you can see all the, if it is distance or spacing, you can discover that. And if you want to create a rule about it here, you can do it. So you can change from 56 to 64 and 64, and it will be updated there. And then you can change it to submit or whatever you want, right? So that's one basic accelerator that you have that lets you automatically change the width, because that's the most common use case for buttons and also other UI elements.